Hello, in this video you'll see how to check the history of a vehicle. All you have to do, just navigate to History tab in sub-menu section. Then, first of all, you need to select the vehicle, which vehicle you want to check its history. For example, I'll select the Sunny. Then I can apply a filter for today, yesterday, for 2 days, or I can select the time exactly from which date and time start to tell which date and time. So quickly I'll select, for example, for today, and I will click on show. Once I click on show, I'll see today's history trip presented on the map, and there is P points. Those are parking points. If I clicked on any parking point, I'll be able to see like what time he arrived and what time he left and how long he stayed in this point. If I hover the cursor on the first data item to the left side, I can see like how many kilometers the vehicle moved. It was 13 kilometers. How many hours for the move duration, how many hours for the stop duration. Regarding fuel sensor, it depends on your package. If it is including fuel data, you can see it, otherwise it will not be there. And regarding engine work and engine idle, make sure that parameters is selected as yes, because if you select it as no, it will not be there. So make sure to select parameters as yes in order to see the engine work and idling timing there. This one affects the speed of presenting the data. So for example, if I call the history of last week and without parameters, it will be called quickly. It won't take much time. If I clicked yes, it will take more additional time to present the data. Now you can do playback from here. If I clicked on play and I increase the speed of the playback into 6 times faster, so I can see now on the map like how the vehicle, if you can see, sorry, it's very fast, let's make it slower. So time will be mentioned here along with speed, so just increase the speed again, so I can see like full day and couple of minutes of the movement of the vehicle. Yeah, that's it for the history. There is some tools there. One most important tools, which is the heat map. Heat map will convert the history route into a heat map, which allows you to understand where the locations that vehicle stayed the most compared to other. So it will help you to understand, like if you can see a red line everywhere, so this one will help you to understand where the vehicle stayed or visited areas more than others. This is for the history, and that's it for today. Thank you very much.